Okay, so let's take a look at how you can set up Spectra page builder in WordPress. So if you go to official site, you can see it has both free and pro plans. So what we will do is we will go to option to download this. So if you want to check, go through the official one to see how this all works. So here you can see it has start building option where it will tell you where to download Spectra, right? So it's basically rename of ultimate add-ons for Gutenberg is now renamed into Spectra, but it has turned into a page builder now. So go to plugins, you can see the installed plugins we have. Now we can click on add new, and here let's see if we have Spectra, and if it's there you can install it from here, or we just downloaded the plugin, you can then choose to upload it through that. So using this option it's a lot easier, considering it will cause less issues as well, right? So now once it is installed we will have to activate this, right? So here we can take a look at its page that appears after installation. So it will just tell you where to look for things. Next is blocks and extensions. So here you see the blocks and extension, various update that gets added to your Gutenberg. Then you have settings. Here you have various settings that you can use for your editor. You have templates option, enable templates, version control, right? Then you have performance, load Google font locally, allow only selected font, then block settings for anti-spam and few other features, right? So these are simple settings. What we can do is we can go to one of the pages tab. Here let's say if I choose to create a sample page, or you can name this demo page, we are going to use this for, let's see, sample, right? And we will publish this, right? And then I will show you how to do some of the changes here. Here you see AI SEO option, then you have scripts, open graph. Let's take everything down. Now here on sample page you can type or choose a block, so you can use / and then here you can see option to use various options here from Gutenberg, right? Or you can click on this, then click on browse all, and within browse all you have Spectra. So we will go through each of Spectra's components, right? So for example, let's say adding Google Maps, using form, FAQ, inline notice, animation, and so on. So these are some of the blocks that you get, right? And its updated feature would also allow you to basically edit all the blocks and page, and then you can set things up, right? Here we also find template kits. So Spectra allows you to use existing components as templates that you can just drag and drop and get to, right? So pretty much everything is here. Then there are patterns, right? So here you can see various patterns that you can put up, right? So here you see features, hero, heading, text, contact, right? And can simply import, right? Here you see WPA forms import failed for some reason, so we can move on to any other block. So this is the block if I wish to import. So let's try that. So the block is imported, so I will update, and if I want to check the preview of it, I can do so, or simply click on this link and it should open in new tab. Here you see the block here is, you can verify, right? So like this you can get all the blocks that you want and remove if you don't want. So remove heading block, right? So seems like it is allowing me to cut one by one, so I can simply select and delete, right? That also works. So if we check browse all Spectra, and here you can take a look at various blocks that you have options. So content timeline counter, and easy to try, simply drop it here and there you have, right? So let's update and test it out. And if we go to page and view page, let's take a look at counter. We have counter ready. So like this you can drop the Spectra components and test it out. So the page builder part, a lot of it is purely block based for now. There will be more things that you can try out, right, with template kits, right, along with the option to edit some of the sections by using the block and the containers, right? So you can try that out with the help of Spectra. I will cover the individual components within Spectra.